Stop paying expensive subscriptions just to convert PDF files to Word. In this video, we'll do it for free in seconds using Python, completely offline and keeping your files 100% private. Let's build it. First, let's open VS Code, create a new file, and name it pdf_to_word.py. Before writing any code, make sure you have your PDF file in the same folder as your script. Here, I have a file named hello.pdf. Now, open your terminal and install the pdf.docx library by running the command pip install pdf.docx. Once the installation is complete and successful, we can start writing the code. Let's import the converter class from pdf.docx. Next, we define our input and output file paths. We set PDF to hello.pdf and docs to output.docx. After that, create a converter instance with cv=converter, PDF. Then, call cv.convert, docs, to start the conversion process. Finally, close the converter using cv.close, to release the file resources. With everything set up, simply click the play button in the top right corner of VS Code to run the script. You can see the conversion progress directly in the terminal panel at the bottom. Once it finishes, the new Word file named output.docx instantly appears in your project folder. Let's open the newly generated output.docx file right next to our original PDF. As you can see, the layout, text, and formatting were transferred perfectly, making the document fully editable in Word.